Zener diode.
A zener is a type of diode used in the reverse region, meaning that in addition to passing the current in the direct mode like other normal models, by applying a fixed and specific amount of reverse bias, it passes the same current in the opposite direction. In fact, the main use of zeners is to use them in reverse bias mode, where they pass a large current for a nearly constant voltage. This breakdown voltage is known as the zener voltage, and it will be from 1.7 to 200 volts based on the structure of the diodes, which is used as a voltage reference in circuits. Zeners are used for signal clipping, shifters and voltage regulators.
For more specialized information about each electronic component, refer to the technical and specialized training playlist of the components. To support me, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, press the bell button for notifications, subscribe to my channel for new videos, share my videos, write me a comment. Thank you.